Hey guys, welcome back to Dragon Image, and we're going to do a quick look at the EW112P G4B, the new Evolution wireless kit from Sennheiser. So what's in this box? Cards out of the way. You have the transmitter and receiver. You get the 3.5mm to 3.5mm jacks. You get the 3.5mm to male XLR. You get the hot shoe mount. And the ME2 lavalier microphone. As well as AA batteries. If you'd like to know more about the Sennheiser kit, please come into our store in Sydney, Melbourne or Brisbane, or visit our website at dragonimage.com.au.